Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Monetizing Your Videos page. In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting paid by Facebook for ads. Let's get started. Facebook has started a program to share revenues with content creators. Facebook wants to be in competition with YouTube since YouTube has become a phenomenon in regards to becoming the video platform most users watch videos from. YouTube has become the preferred platform to look for videos where people can learn something from, be entertained, and watch videos from influencers that they follow. If they want to watch a video to look for reviews, unboxing of products they want to buy, or look for recipes on how to cook a meal, people will search for videos and watch them on YouTube. Facebook wants to get their Facebook users to watch videos directly on their platform without going to YouTube. They wanted to expand their video presence. In the past few years, they have started inviting out content creators to monetize their content on Facebook. Content creators must upload their videos directly on Facebook and it can be monetized too. They will be paid depending on the revenue that their Facebook page makes with in-stream ads on Facebook. To monetize your video content on Facebook, you must enroll to the monetization program of Facebook. First, you need to meet certain criteria which makes monetizing on Facebook not for everyone who uploads video content. You must have an original video content to upload. Your video content must be at least 3 minutes or long. Your Facebook fans must be a minimum of 10,000 and 30,000 1-minute video views in total to start monetizing your video content. Take note that Facebook won't allow repurposed content to be monetized on its platform. Also, you must not upload your video content with background music that are protected with copyright. If you need to add some background music to your video content, you can choose from the sound collection that you can find on your Creator Studio. Just choose the Creative Tools menu, and you will find the sound collection option there. There are tons of tracks available here that are free to use with no copyright. Facebook's monetization program is more profitable compared to YouTube. This is because YouTube has a limited ad inventory. This means that people are advertising less on YouTube and more people are advertising on Facebook. You can actually make more money on Facebook through ads if you're popular on YouTube. Meeting the criteria for the monetization program on Facebook will be easier for you to comply if you already built your YouTube channel with thousands or more subscribers. Those subscribers can also be your followers or your Facebook fans who will help you meet the minimum 10,000 fans and also in viewing your 1-minute video views for at least 30,000 times. As a content creator, you may find that Facebook's monetization program is more profitable for your brand depending on the niche you are in and depending on the audience you attract. Take note that you must take care of your Facebook page by not violating any Facebook's policy. If your page is flagged like a violation for standards on intellectual property, this can affect your monetization application. This happens when you have uploaded a content that is not your original video content. Also, you must be updated with Facebook's partner monetization policies so that you can avoid violating one of their policies that can hinder to the success of your monetization. Facebook runs ads on videos. When you create video content, then upload and publish it on Facebook, Facebook will run in-stream ads on your video content, and your video content will have in-stream ads only if you have met the criteria for the monetization program of Facebook, especially on in-stream ads. The video must be your original content, and it cannot be a repurposed content. When people watch videos, they will wait for the in-stream ads to finish, then you'll get a share of the ad revenue. That way, you can monetize your video content on Facebook. Now that you know about getting paid by Facebook for ads, you can now proceed to the next topic, using your videos to sell. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using videos to sell. Let's get started. Nowadays, it is a must for businesses to have their own Facebook business page. They can post video content that can show the unboxing of products they offer. They can also post video content about the benefits of their products, how to use their products, and relevant video content that is intended to educate people. When people are looking for a source of information regarding your niche, they can go to your business page since they already trust your brand. Once you gain people's trust, they are more likely to purchase the products that you are selling. People are drawn to watching videos. If you create videos that promote the good aspects of your product, you will attract potential buyers with your content. People want to see the products with their own eyes before they buy something. Using videos to promote your products can be a better alternative than seeing the product in person. Here are some tips that you can use if you want to promote your products and sell them using your video content. First, attract the right audience. Attract highly relevant audiences organically or using Facebook ads. When you post your video content organically, you must produce valuable content. If you already have existing customers, you can target these existing customers as well. They can be aware of your video content where you are promoting or selling some of your products that they are not aware of yet. Provide value to your viewers. This is important to attract relevant audience to your content. It will help your brand earn the trust of audiences outside your network. Don't post all video content that is intended to sell. Once in a while, it is best to provide free and valuable information for your viewers too. Doing this will let them know that you want people to learn more about relevant topics in your niche that can be useful to them. Collect their contact information. If it's possible to collect their email or their mobile number so that they can receive updates from your brand or business, then go ahead and ask for it. You can add more people to your subscribers list and add these people to your email marketing campaigns. Some people don't check Facebook all the time, and even if they do, they might not see your post every time due to Facebook's organic reach limitation. So if you get their details, you can email them about your Facebook post and get them to view it using a link. This can increase your organic reach, as people are looking at coming to your Facebook posts from external sources, and Facebook takes that as a clue that your post is valuable. Start selling. At the end of your video, you must provide an action for them to do. Once they click on the call to action button, you can send them to your landing page or your website where they can purchase the product. Remember not to mention the price of the product yet. If your product is more likely to increase in price in the future, then it's a good idea not to mention the price on your video. Doing this will make your video content useful in your future posts and potential customers who can view your product soon. This is useful if they are interested in purchasing the product that you have shown on your video. Video marketing is a great way for businesses to attract more people to know more about your brand. And if you have targeted the right audience, they're more likely to become your customers since they're already interested in the video content that you're posting. Videos can help drive sales. It's an excellent and faster way to let people know what benefits they can get from using your products that are shown in your videos. Now that you know about using videos to sell, we can now proceed to the next topic, affiliate marketing using videos. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing using videos. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. When you promote other companies' products and someone buys from your affiliate link, then you get a commission. To target people on Facebook using affiliate marketing, you can use organic traffic and paid traffic. With organic traffic, you need to build your Facebook page's brand first to get more people to follow you. If you want to widen your reach, then you can use Facebook ads. To start affiliate marketing using your videos, first you must have a Facebook page. This page should be your brand, and you must know the specific niche that your brand is going to target. This way, you won't be promoting products that don't fall into a specific niche and avoid growing your followers with a mixture of different niche interests. You can give your audience a free offer so that you can attract them into your affiliate links. Then you must have set up an automation that will follow up your potential customers like email marketing. This will help you in your marketing strategy and you'll be able to turn your potential leads into your customers, increasing your sales. In this example, you may notice that there's an affiliate link in this post. If you read the post, it mentions the problem of losing weight with a question. People who can relate to this question are more likely to click on this link. Also, the image used here is something that anyone loves to eat, but definitely can prevent you from losing weight. When people click on this link, they will be redirected to this page. It shows a short video explaining the pain points of people who want to lose weight. There's an action link below if you want to continue the program they are offering. Just choose the options in the selection until you reach the end. Once you're done, you will see a summary of what you have selected. On this page, they will show you the before and after photos of people who have succeeded in using their program, the features of the program, and what you will get. Now this is where they will ask for your email address so they can send you promotions and follow-ups. On the next page, they are offering the program at this price. If you're serious about trying their program, you will click on this button to complete the order and buy it. And when the customer finishes buying the product, the affiliate who referred the customer will get paid a share. It can be anything from 35% to 50% or even more than that. The affiliate will earn money from referring the product to the customer who bought the product using the link that the affiliate shared. As you can see, this post redirects people to a website where she talks about the affiliate product. You can even watch the video here. She talks about why you should purchase the product, what is included in the product, who would benefit from using this product, additional bonuses, and if you notice, she mentions here that if you purchase through her link, then you will get these bonuses. These free bonuses alone will attract more people to take action. You can see here a screenshot of the affiliate bonus button. If you click on Get Access Now, you can see that she is promoting another company's product, and this is their landing page. There are major networks where people can find affiliate offers to promote. There are ClickBank and JVZoo. You can sign up for a free account on ClickBank. Just fill up the details, and on your dashboard, you will see more tabs, and you will find the affiliate marketplace here. The marketplace is where you can find and choose multiple products to promote and earn money from the products sold using your affiliate link. You can browse through the categories available here and choose the product from your chosen niche. If you click on the product link, you will see the exact page that people will see once you share that link. From JVZoo's website, you can also create a free account to start promoting. Once you verify your account, you need to set up where JVZoo will send your commission payments. Once you're done, JVZoo will recommend you tools where you can start promoting your affiliate links. Once you're done setting up your JVZoo account, you will see an overview of the seller snapshot and view the daily profit and earnings here. If you click on the affiliates menu and choose Find Products, you'll be able to search for the products that you can promote, and you can also check out the categories of products you can choose from. Some marketers have been successful in affiliate marketing. They are aware that there are billions of users on Facebook who use the platform every day. Therefore, it is not impossible to attract the right audience who are interested in the niche that your product belongs to.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.